Live from Studio 46, this is CBS 2 News This Morning.
And it is tailgating season. Chef Julie Hartigan will stop by with some recipes that are sure to make you the game day MVP.
We see nachos over there. First, though, here's John with a check on the forecast.
That's right over there. I can smell it. So maybe these cool temperatures have you thinking, let's go tailgating. Well, before you do, listen up. We got some great tips.
Thank you. Before the action and drama on the field comes the action in the stadium lot. Tailgating season is here.
It's time to bring back your favorite game day food. Chef Julie Hartigan is here with some easy, delicious, and healthy recipes that are sure to make you the MVP. And you're talking happy and healthy food.
You got it. Happy meets healthy.
Yeah.
I am a firm believer, and what I want to share with everyone at home is that healthy food can be fun, delicious, and make you really happy. It's not, right?
She's looking at me like, perfect. Listen, Cindy.
She's like, I got it. I got it. So what we're going to be making today are some really typical game day treats, but I want to say these lightened up buffalo chicken tenders, they're also awesome to meal prep. We were talking about meal prep and how hard it is to get organized for the week. They are fantastic to make ahead. You can add them to salads or to wraps, but I'm going to show you guys how easy those are to make. And then also a lightened up blue cheese dip and a lightened up fat-free ranch dip that you can make at home with a handful of ingredients. They use fat-free Greek yogurt as the base, which is my secret, and I'll show you what I mix in. So to get started on the chicken tenders, we're going to use chicken tenderloins, and we were talking before this segment. They come pre-cut like this. They're tender and juicy, and we're just going to season them with a little bit of a spice mix, some salt and pepper, and then these are the ones that give it a boost of flavor. It's granulated garlic and a little bit of chili powder and smoked paprika. It's going to give them that smoky barbecue flavor. That way, if you don't have an outdoor grill, you're like good to go. So here today, I'm going to show you in a grill pan. These are pre-cooked, obviously, but we would season your chicken tenderloins, pop them in the grill pan and grill them up. And then the thing that's making them so much lighter than regular buffalo wings, those are usually breaded, deep fried, skin on, so heavy. These, you don't need to do that. And then you're just going to brush them with a mixture of your favorite hot sauce, like Frank's is a classic. Some people like Crystal, whatever your favorite hot sauce is, mixed with a little bit of butter. You just brush it on like this. You can do this on an indoor grill pan or on an outdoor grill.
While it's still on, while the heat is still on.
Okay, this is a warning, and I've done this myself. The spice, the like peppers and the vinegar and the hot sauce will kind of make you cough. So step away or lower the heat when you're going to brush this on. You're just doing it to glaze it a little bit.
And then you're seasoning it on both sides, and then you cook it for how long on each side?
It's actually, that's one of the best things about chicken tenderloins, 3 to 4 minutes. They cook through so quickly, and they're boneless, so they're easier to eat too at a tailgate or at a party. And then to make these luscious dips, I love these dips. We're going to start with fat-free Greek yogurt, and then we just add a few simple ingredients. For the blue cheese, to give it that rich flavor, we're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and then gets a little bit of garlic, and some blue cheese and some chives. So I'll just add a little bit of those in there. You just stir them in, very simple. And then to make ranch. Now, I don't know. Some people love ranch with their wings. People put ranch on their pizza. I love ranch with veggies, and it's always a great idea to put lots of colorful veggies out. To make fat-free light ranch dip or salad dressing, you just add a mixture of chopped fresh dill, chopped parsley, a little bit of scallion and garlic, and that is it. And it tastes just like your favorite ranch, only, again, fat-free. And you know what? I love Greek yogurt. It gives you a little bit of extra protein, too. Why not, right?
All right, let's talk about some of the other, because you have other ideas too, like putting the chicken on a salad, which is great.
Exactly. Well, that's what I was saying. Like, so people think of buffalo chicken wings for happy hour, for tailgates, for parties, but these chicken tenders you can use during the work week too. Like, you could make an easy lunch, a quick light wrap. You could put it on top of salad. They keep really well in the fridge. And I, actually, I just wanted to mention, I have a cookbook on my website for everybody.
That's free.
It's 10 healthy meals under 20 minutes, you guys. So this is a great example of that kind of recipe. It's cookingwjulie.com, but definitely grab the cookbook. Now, these are a favorite of mine. I make those for snacks. My daughters love them. They are zucchini turkey pepperoni pizza bites. So
oh my goodness.
Anyone out there who's a big fan of pizza bagels, I love them, but you know, they're so carby and heavy. These are gluten-free. You just broil little zucchini rounds. You like them? Sauce, the trick with those, turkey pepperoni. Have you guys been trying turkey pepperoni?
No.
It's 70% less fat than regular pepperoni. It's sold right next to it. You know that little hangy thing in the supermarket
Right.
where you see the pepperoni?
Yes.
It tastes exactly like regular pepperoni
So
for a fraction of the fat.
Do you put these in the oven or you just...
So you broil the zucchini rounds with a little bit of garlic salt and some olive oil spray, and then top with pizza sauce, cheese, and basil. And actually, guys, I was talking to you. I have a new YouTube show out that I'm very excited about, and the episode I'm posting this week is going to be about how to make those. It's Cooking W. Julie on YouTube.
And then super quick, these are healthy nachos.
Pulled chicken nachos. So we're using shredded chicken with some seasonings. Those are on my website. Everyone can. All these recipes are on my website, guys, too.
And notice the sign is pointing at
avocado.
Cindy. She's just here for the nachos.
She's just here for the nachos, really. I mean, isn't everyone just here for the nachos?
Tell them the secret recipe.
I know. Okay. Flourless chocolate ganache glazed mini cupcakes, you guys. They're 75 calories each, no flour, perfect for gluten-free with a secret ingredient.
Can
Let's
I
see
show
if they
them?
can guess. You can show them now.
The secret ingredient.
The secret ingredient is
Black beans.
Black beans. Okay, guys.
You would
gotta
never know that those were in here. They're delicious.
You've got to trust me here. I tested them on my teenage daughters. No one can tell the beans are in there. They're pureed in. It gives it denseness, richness. So yeah, check it out. CookingWJulie.com and Instagram at CookingWJulie
Thank you,
too.
Julie. We love
you
it.
so
Your
much.
ideas are always great.
And we are going to post Julie's tailgating recipes on our website, cbsnewyork.com. After the break, we're going to check our top stories, and John will have the final forecast for us.
Stay with us.
Out of my teeth.
Yeah, black.